please do justice to sharing among each other as we get it, though it will be uploaded on the school portal. Now, the maintenance of good public health is the responsibility of an individual, the community, the government, and the health organizations. The community plays important role in the maintenance of good public health in rural areas, while the individual is responsible for personal hygiene. Importance of maintenance of good public health are to avoid contagious and communicable diseases, to enhance better standard of living financial and health-wise, to bring about the cost and expenditures made on medical bills, to bring them down, to cut them down, to avoid epidemic and pandemic disease. What are epidemic diseases? Epidemic disease is the outbreak of disease in a locality, in a community. Pandemic disease is the outbreak of disease in the world, in the country, in the nation, like the issue of coronavirus. It's a pandemic disease. Now, things you must do to be healthy: you have to drink good water, wear clean clothes, keep the environment tidy, eat balanced diet, and many more. The following are important in maintenance of good public health: proper refuse and sewage disposal, protection of water supply and provision of clean water, food hygiene, control of diseases, health organization. Okay, they are very, very. Now, let us study refuse and sewage disposal. Refuse are solid waste from homes, offices, and schools, while sewage are liquid waste from toilets, bathrooms, and many more. Toilet and bathrooms, e.g., urine and feces. Disposal of waste are done by 1. Provision of dustbins in strategic places, dumping of refuse in isolated places. Sewage should be disposed thoroughly by provision of public health, community treatment process, where sewages from homes are collected and treated before being discharged into what? Into water bodies. Health organization. Now, health organizations are corporate bodies, local or international, concerned with maintenance of good public health. International health organizations include World Health Organization (WHO), United Nations for Children Educational Fund, UNICEF. We have FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. We have International Red Cross Society. We have Nigeria Medical Association. The first 4: International Red Cross Society, Food and Agricultural Organization, they are United Nations for Children Education Fund, World Health Organization, they are international. Nigeria Medical Association is what is for our country here. Okay, and each country has their medical association. Ghana Medical Association, Kenya Medical Association. So here we call it NMA. Okay, Nigeria Medical Association, Nigeria Red Cross, okay, are 2 Nigerian organizations. They have plans for the maintenance of good public health in the country. Now, we are now going to study the roles of individuals. Okay, each of them. World Health Organization is a United Nations organization financed by all members of the countries of what? UNO. It was established in 1948. And it has its headquarters in Switzerland, Geneva in Switzerland. Its aim is to improve the health of the people. Major functions or roles of WHO are: number 1, it promotes measures for the control of the major world diseases through vaccination programs and use of antibiotics. I told you, okay, whenever you hear the use of antibiotics, the next thing that should register on your mind is the treatment of bacterial infection or disease. It coordinates research programs in all fields of health and makes the results known to all our members. It publishes medical journals. It helps to set recommended safe drugs and safe standard drugs. Okay, it provides an advice on health matters for member nations, sending scientists, doctors, and field workers. Okay, setting quarantine regulation internationally. The amount of tablet of a particular drug that must be used for adults and for children, setting standard, setting quarantine regulation. If you want to do this and this, quarantine means screening. In instance of emergency, they provide vaccines and drugs, creating awareness through the media and publication of medical journals and literature reviews. providing experts to train and advise health personnel in neighboring countries, creating medium of awareness to educate neighboring countries in the event of outbreak of an epidemic or what? Pandemic diseases. Pandemic, like the case of this coronavirus now, is the function of the World Health Organization. Like I heard that in UK also, they have synthesized a drug, they have produced a drug against it. Okay, so many more. They are the works of what? World Health Organization. You know, it helps National Health Organization in the control of diseases. They even help local community with what? Epidemic diseases once it is reported. UNICEF. UNICEF is founded in 1946, was established in 1946 to aid children affected by World War. It is an international organization known as United Nations Children's Educational Fund or Children Emergency Fund, to set up and improve the health and welfare of children. It helps in the developing countries to carry out long-range health, nutrition, and welfare programs for children. Everything about UNICEF is what? Children. It provides medical equipment, medicines, and vaccination services for children. It supports government programs aimed at controlling the major diseases affecting mothers and children. It helps to set up maternal and child welfare centers. Okay, they provide children's needs like clothing and many more. They provide equipment to prevent diseases such as poliomyelitis, whooping cough, tuberculosis, diphtheria. You know, children immunity is low, so they are vulnerable to diseases. So this organization helps to provide equipment to prevent diseases. Emergency needs of children in devastated areas are being provided. Destitute children are being fed. Undernourished children's nutrition are also improved. They provide necessary equipment and training programs to help improve the health of mothers and children. They control diarrhea in children, which leads to dehydration. We have ORT, oral rehydration therapy is also provided. Now, Nigeria Medical Association is a national body and their function are monitoring the recruitment of well-trained doctors in our hospitals. They assist in the training of paramedical staffs needed in the delivery of health care, creating the awareness of the outbreak of epidemic and pandemic. They create awareness, advise the government on where, when, and how to improve the people's health state. Okay, they make research on etiology, control, prevention, signs, and symptoms of disease. Etiology means cause. Make research on the etiology, the cause of the disease. Like the issue of coronavirus, like we are presently dealing with. Our NMA has done good job together with WHO to create awareness, to help us with the signs, symptoms, control, prevention, and all those. International Red Cross, it plays important role in two major ways: in time of war and in time of peace. In time of war, they do the following. Okay, they take care of the injured. They provide emergency aid to those in distress. They are involved in negotiation of the exchange of prisoners between countries. They provide transport for the evacuation of refugees. They provide welfare for the prisoners of war. Okay. Now, in time of peace, they provide first aid to patients. They assist in preventing accidents. They assist in training nursing aides. These ones are not nurses, but they assist aides. They assist the nurses. They maintain maternal and child welfare clinic. They provide help to victims of natural disasters such as earthquake, floods, fire, and water, to mention but a few. Now, to control health, for good maintenance of health, we have to manage sewage disposal. If sewage is not managed, they pollute water body. Sewage are waste water materials released from waste materials, not waste water. You can call it waste water, you can call it waste water materials or ordinary waste released from kitchen, laundries, toilet, bathroom, urines and feces. Sewage can be disposed through community treatment process, use of pit latrines, pit toilet for the passage of urine and feces into deep pits. Septic tanks are used to flush urine and feces with water into a big tank dug in the ground. Protection of food. How do we protect our food? Make sure raw or cooked foods are boiled thoroughly before eating. I mean, thoroughly before eating. Many diseases like bird flu, when there was a time we had an incident with bird flu, you know, and one of the prevention is to cook birds or fowls thoroughly before you eat. Make sure the environment where the food is prepared is clean. You cannot be preparing your food near ghettos and slums and you think you won't be infected. That is cholera and typhoid. Wash your hands before and after eating of food and preparation. Do not expose your food to flies and other microorganisms. Raw and cooked food should be protected, properly protected. Now, control of vectors. How do you control vectors? Vectors are carriers of pathogenic microorganisms. Living in a clean environment is important if diseases will be effectively controlled. The following must be done to control disease, and they are: take your bath regularly, please. Live in well-ventilated houses. When you live in a suffocated place, you are prone to disease because you are taking in the carbon dioxide from everybody. It could lead to suffocation, and even if there is an airborne disease, everyone gets it. Use of disinfectant to clean latrines and urinals. Live in a well-ventilated house. Do exercise regularly. Only use prescribed drugs by medical personnel, medical doctors. Treat injuries immediately and return to the hospital. Clean your teeth regularly with toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, all these are what we need to do. Now, water protection. For us to maintain good public health, number 5 thing we need to do is water protection. You filter the water on cooling. You know, the first thing, the following are the things you do. You know, first of all, take note that diseases can easily be contacted through the intake of unclean water. The following must be done to protect our water. Addition of chlorine to kill microscopic plants. Boil the water before you drink it. Filter the water on cooling. Addition of alum to the water. Store water in clean containers. Above all, you should be all the above should be done before the water is passed into pipes and other places that is going to serve people. Refuse is simply defined as solid waste materials. Now, number 16 you need to do to maintain good health is refuse disposal. Refuse is simply defined as solid waste materials discharged through human activities from homes and industries into the environment. Disease spread when refuse are carelessly disposed, dumped around dwelling places. It creates bad odor and provides breeding grounds for insects and rodents, which are vectors to diseases. Disposal of refuse can be done through the following. Number 1, bury refuse in sanitary landfill, provision of dustbins in strategic places, burning of refuse in incinerators. Only dump refuse in isolated areas far from human habitation. You will be given to state the roles of maintaining good health through the following: protection of food, water protection, sewage disposal, and refuse disposal. Thank you.